Hey everybody, guess what I did? I went to Dollar Tree. I've been going crazy. I've been going to every single Dollar Tree that I can go to because I've been seeing people haul stuff that I'm like, I want that, I want that. I'm really into decorating my mantle this year. Like, I already have it like set in my head, so I'm already like thinking of that stuff. And then I'm seeing people haul Easter stuff already, and I'm just like, really? I want that, I want that, I want that, and I already thought of like stuff, so I'm just going crazy. You guys will be seeing a lot of Dollar Trees over the next couple weeks because I have a lot of Dollar Tree DIYs that I want to show you guys. So here I'm going to show you what I got. Now I did get gift certificates, or I got gift cards for Christmas, and I already used all those up, so I'm here to show you guys what I got. So the first thing I got is this little mailbox. I think it's super cute, you know, why not? And then I ended up getting a candlestick holder. I thought I got a candlestick holder. I don't know what happened to it, but I thought I got a candlestick holder. Otherwise, if not, I got tons of them. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to do kind of like a little DIY with a couple simple things, and then I'm going to show you guys my mantle when it's all done in the video. So I was just going to put like a candlestick and then paint it to match this. So I thought this would be super cute to use for, you know, my mantle. You know, can't go wrong with a little mailbox. So I got that. Now, the last haul I did, I found strawberries and cream, which I think is awesome. I love that candle. This one is strawberry ice cream, so it's two different ones. But it doesn't smell as good as the strawberries and cream, but you know what? I love strawberries, and I don't know why, but I thought this is what I originally got. So I ended up getting, if you guys can kind of see that, I got 3 of the strawberry ice cream. So can't go wrong. What I'm going to start doing is copying Jeff. He's like posting all the candles that he's starting to burn, and I'm like, you know what, I'm really into candles lately. I love my house smelling like food and all that fun stuff, so I'm just gonna be posting what I'm gonna be burning. So I got 3 of those. They had Italian ice, which was okay. I'm not like the greatest, I'm not like the biggest fan of it. It kind of smells like a little bit like watermelon, so I just got it, you know, to light it. Otherwise, I know a friend who was looking for some of these candles. I ended up getting watermelon. I'm not a big fan of watermelon, but like it does smell like really good. And I think these jars are so cute. I can't wait to see what I can do with the DIYs with these jars. I ended up just getting, I found this pink ribbon. I thought this would be really cute. This was in the baby section. I thought this would be super cute to use for a couple wreaths that I want to do. And be prepared, I will be doing a lot of deco mesh crafts because that's something I really enjoy doing. I got stuff to cut them easier for Christmas. So just be prepared. You guys will see a lot of deco mesh crafts, a lot of things that kind of look the same, but when people search for certain videos, that's why I have a lot of the same videos, because people are searching for a specific video, they can see that video by itself. I got these tablecloths. Now I wanted a pink just by itself in this, but they didn't have it. They had it with like these hearts, and then it has white on the top of it. But I thought, for a DIY that I've been wanting to do forever, I'm like, why not? And it's perfect because I can use this pink and I can use this white. So definitely stay tuned for that DIY that I'm going to be doing very soon. I found some hearts. Now I wish I bought more because like I said, I really want to do like a wreath business, and it's so hard to find these wreath hearts. But this year I feel like I'm finding them more often than I have in the past. Last year I only found it at one store. But if you guys can see, I got 3 of them. But I absolutely love these hearts. I even made a clover for St. Patrick's Day with these hearts. But like I said, I really want to do a lot of wreaths this year. So stay tuned for a lot of heart wreaths, a lot of Valentine's Day wreaths. I ended up getting these little confetti picks and everything. I have something I'm going to do with my mantle for that, a little DIY. So I thought this is super cute. I swear I'm missing something, but definitely check out that stuff that I got. I ended up finding this jar. I think this is super cute. It's mostly pink, or it's mostly red and white, but I kind of want to do another DIY with something like this. I'm going to probably combine it with the mailbox one, because it's going to be something so simple you're like, really? But I think this jar is super, super cute, and I couldn't pass that up. I ended up finding more cinnamon bun candles. My husband smelled this and he's like, oh, that smells really, really good. So I'm like, okay, I'll get 2 more because these smell really, really good. And these candles have been flying off the shelf like crazy. I ended up getting this tropical passion fruit. I ended up lighting this last night actually, and it smells really good. It doesn't have like a strong burn smell, but I was thinking of doing empties for you guys. I mean, a lot of you guys watch empty videos. Not just like of the candles, but I'm thinking of doing empties for everything that I use for like candles and products and stuff. If you guys are interested in something for me to do like that, let me know so I, you know, can show you guys, because I like to show you guys stuff that I use. I got another watermelon. Like I said, I have a friend who likes watermelon, so I got her another watermelon. And then here's my little stick. So like I said, I'm just gonna do something like this. But I do have an idea of something like this. I'm not going to just leave it clear like that. And then I ended up getting these table scatters because I'm using this for my mantle. I think these would be super cute. And you can't go wrong with red. And then I went crazy. I went crazy over ribbon. And I might have to return some of these because I have just so much of it. But you never know what you're going to need in this project. So if you guys can see, I got tons of different color ribbons. I'm going to be making a wreath, obviously. But I'm super excited to show you guys what I got. I don't even know how much I grabbed. I grabbed like 2 of every color because I wanted to do a lot of stuff. So this is all the ribbon that I get. I went crazy and got a lot of ribbon. So you guys will definitely have to check out that DIY. I made something similar to this for Christmas last year, but I'm going to definitely be doing, I'm just losing all my ribbon. I'm going to be definitely doing more Valentine's Day stuff because last year I didn't do as much. But that was my Dollar Tree haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I am going to go to Dollar Tree again and again because I am just falling in love with all the Valentine's Day stuff, and I'm on a hunt. The other day at work, I was so bored. It was so bored because it's, you know, I work retail, and nobody's coming into the store at 6:30 in the morning. So I started making a list of DIYs that I want to make. I made like a list of 30 of them. So definitely check that out. You know, I have so much in my head, and I'm going to try to do one at least once a week for you guys. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Hit the red subscribe button so I know you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys all another time. Bye!